Hi guys, today in this video I'm about to show you guys how to change color in Gorilla Tag. So yeah, let's start video. I'll tell you step by step in this guide. So yeah, to begin customizing the color of your gorilla in Gorilla Tag, follow these simple steps. First off, locate the central hub within the game environment, usually found inside a large screen. Second step is that once inside the central hub, make your way to the desktop computer with a keyboard. Now next is this, sign the directional keys or joystick on your controller. Navigate the menu options on the computer screen until you find the color settings. After that, upon selecting the color settings, you will be presented with a color mixer interface. Here you can adjust the red, green and blue RGB light values to create your desired color. So that's it guys, see you in the next video, bye.